Want to know how to help your kids learn to love vegetables? Play with your food. Got a picky eater at home? Hey, I get it. But I've got a plan for you. Expose, explore, expand. Research shows that if you want your hesitant eater to learn to love new foods, you have to play in food. Start with a vegetable that's easy to peel, like parsnips or potatoes or carrots. First, expose your kids to new vegetables. Start by washing, scrubbing, and using child-safe knives to help them chop the veggie. Now, help your child peel the vegetable. You'll need a lot, so keep peeling. Okay, now you need a small plastic animal. This dinosaur will do. Hide the animal under the peel and take turns, taking one peel off at a time. Whoever gets the animal wins. Not only are you having fun with vegetables, but you're also practicing fine motor skills, like the pincer grasp. For some kids, the palm of the hand is too sensitive, and this game allows them to use the thumb and forefinger. But the more they interact with food, the less sensitive they'll become. I know because I've used this method with over 1,000 picky eaters, including my own. Expose, explore, expand. A 3-step plan that starts with fun and ends with yum. Adventures in Veggieland.